welcome to the workshop. Today we are going to be making a little needle felted teddy bear. We've been doing some more simpler felting projects, like these little chick and egg that we were going to do for Easter, and I've done some penguins. We had these little guys back in February for, I think we had a regular class, a private group, and a teen night with these cute little guys. Some of the more beginning projects we put on the schedule so that when Diane is teaching her more advanced classes, people can have taken a beginner class and then come into Diane's class already knowing some basics and having some idea of it, so that they're able to pick up more and learn more from her about some of the more intricate details or different types of things that she's teaching them there. Here's one that she was doing. She did a whole bunch of these gnome classes in December, January, and in February. And so we've moved on from gnomes. Her next one that she'll do is a jointed bunny rabbit. We had to push that back maybe until May. I don't know, we'll see when we can do it. But we'll also be adding in some other classes like this little teddy bear to kind of get you ready. If you wanted to do one of her classes that's more advanced, you could start with some of these. So today you can watch and just kind of get some needle felting basics and sort of see how a needle felting project is done. But when we can put classes on the schedule again, come back and make a teddy bear with us or one of our other projects.